What is BIM? BIM is very much talked about in the building industry, but what it is really, what it is used for, and who should use it. Some say BIM is a type of software, some say BIM is a 3D model of buildings, others say BIM is the process, or that BIM is nothing more than an organized collection of all building data. BIM is all above and more. Now let's see BIM explained in layman's term. When it comes to BIM, everything begins with a 3D digital building model. This model, however, is more than just simple geometry and some interesting texture added to it for visualization. A true BIM model consists of virtual equivalents of the actual building section used to create a building. These intelligent elements are the digital prototype of the physical building elements such as walls, columns, windows, doors, stairs, etc. that allow us to simulate the building and understand its behavior before the actual construction begins. Now let's see what BIM model can be useful for. 3D visualization. Of course, the most basic use of BIM model is for creating realistic visualization of the planned building. Your BIM model your design decision by comparing various design alternatives for selling your design to your client, the local community, and other stakeholders as well. Change management. Since the data is stored in the central place in a BIM model, any modification to the building design will be automatically replicated in each view, such as floor plans, sections, and elevation. This not only helps in creating the documentation faster, but also provides stringent quality assurance by automatic coordination of different views. Building simulation. BIM model consists more than just architectural data. Information about different engineering disciplines, sustainability information, and other characteristics can be easily simulated well in advance of actual construction. Data management. BIM contains information that is not only visually represented at all, scheduling information, for example, clarifies the necessary manpower, coordination, and anything that might affect the outcome of the project schedule. Cost is also part of BIM that allow us to see what the budget or estimated cost of the project might be at any given point in time during the project. Needless to say that the data put in a BIM model is not only useful during the design and construction phase of a building project but can be used throughout the entire building life cycle, helping to reduce the operation and management cost building, which is significantly more than the entire cost of construction. With all the benefits BIM has to offer, don't let your competition get to BIM before you do.